Mesh grids are a technology which has the promise of making communities that could otherwise not be served in a commercially viable way, commercially viable.
85 million Nigerians still don't have access to sustainable energy, and we're really passionate about that mission. This financing proves our model. It proves that energy access in rural communities can actually attract institutional financing. I would say the InfraCredit guarantee was the linchpin, or should I say, the most important part of this transaction. And I think it sends a signal to the industry as a whole that energy access infrastructure business can be impactful and also financially sustainable.
From like the mandate letter to close was 9 months. And in the middle of that, there's so much that's going on because for the industry, mesh grid technology is something that's nascent.
Climate finance blending facility really helped us to make the transaction more affordable in terms of an interest rate perspective, because it comes with a very concessional interest rate. And so when it was blended, it became something really affordable.
Our role as the technology company for mesh grids was to clarify as much of that as possible. So show the financing party, so InfraCredit, the methodology for designing these grids, sizing these grids, how to maintain reliability. And that's why I think this InfraCredit transaction is just really, really important because First Electric have proven that, hey, look, we've got data from the pilot project that it can get deployed at a certain cost, that there's going to be certain revenues, it's going to be sustainable.
We're really grateful to the stakeholders that have made this possible. Also want to thank AMDA and Lamide for their support with the African Mini-Grid Developers Association.
I think now that InfraCredit has gotten behind this, and behind InfraCredit we've got the likes of FCDO and BII, all of these names jumping in to get mesh grids to scale, also under the DARES program funded by the World Bank and administered by the REA. I mean, this project basically has all of the names who are looking at the space and trying to make impact and trying to do it in a commercially viable way behind it. It's great that it's been financed. Next step is to execute it, make sure it happens really successfully, and then step after that is to scale it throughout the entire country.